Good afternoon. I think good afternoon. Uh, I think everybody will take some time to settle down. Uh, Rajneesh, would you please announce to settle down, everybody?
Hello, Hello. Can I request everyone to please take your seats? We have a very, very exciting program before lunch. So please don't go away. Please be seated.
Friends, you know that it was a absolutely wonderful journey for Manoj for the last 2 consecutive years as a Rotary International Director. So we never used to get Manoj in our district. After a long time, I think probably we are getting him in a very leisurely, sitting with us, having time with us. So we took the opportunity this particular time to have some interaction with Manoj. How was the year? So I'll just start with me. Meera also is there, Sharmishta and Manoj. Welcome to our show. Manoj, first, so let me congratulate you. On behalf of all, I congratulate you. You really did well, and I'm telling you.
Thank you, Ashish.
But Ashish, don't forget that Sharmishta was always with Manoj wherever he went, and we have hardly seen him alone in the whole, I would say, the whole world.
She doesn't trust me, you know that.
I'm extremely sorry. I think probably really it is a not. I should have addressed both. Sharmishta has carried on, not only carried on with a very smiling face. I'm sorry, Sharmishta. You really. Now, let me start. Manoj, just I want to tell you, it was everybody we have seen, Jaipur, Dubai, you know, your particular institute. But tell here everybody how was your experience? Just tell.
Should I use Gujarati or English only? हिंदी अरे एक इतना बढ़िया अनुभव था कि मैं बयान नहीं कर सकता. But 5-star hotels, we stayed in suites with jacuzzi in the room and no time to go into jacuzzi. So बढ़िया कितना होता है वो भी आप सोच लेना. But it was phenomenal time. 2.5 years. And the way we have traveled, 5 days a week, 2.5 years, 5 days a week, you can imagine what happens. But not a single time she was ill or I was ill. We have not cancelled any meetings, and we have visited all the districts excepting only one, and that's Sri Lanka.
Sharmishta, I would like to ask you, how much did you travel? And have you ever calculated kilometers you traveled?
Meera, it was mind-boggling figure. Actually, Manoj got it calculated, and in the first year of directorship, we travel almost 320,000 kilometers. And in the second year, it was 346,000 kilometers. So if you take equator, it is usually 40,000 kilometers. So equator, we have taken 16 rounds of equator.
Excellent.
That's what it was.
Excellent. That is something mind-blowing. But Manoj, it was a wonderful experience, all of you, as we know. But tell something which is the unusual part of the experience. What is the unusual part of the experience?
See, I love my t-shirt, or I would like to always travel in t-shirt so that I am most comfortable. I never realized love and affection and planning of all the district governors. I was taken down from the aircraft. We went to the meeting straight. So I covered myself in a jacket. Now that was May month. In Nagpur, which is the hottest place, with a jacket on, you cannot see in an open, in a school. I was inaugurating a toilet block. I had to remove the jacket and they saw me in t-shirt. And they thought director t-shirt pehante, tie nahi pehante. So there were so many funny experiences like that.
Sharmishta, you traveled so much. Did you get some time for shopping?
Well, Mira, all the ladies like to shop, so did I. But the programs were so hectic, the schedules were so hectic that there was hardly any time for shopping. Of course, I snatched little time for some sightseeing wherever I went because I like to see places. And of course, one incident I can tell you, in Bangladesh, I wanted to buy a Jamdani sari. And that was a condition I have made, that if I can buy that, I'll come to you to Bangladesh. And somehow the Rotarians over there, they made it possible for me. Just in half an hour, they took me to the place and I could buy a Jamdani sari. So that was it. That's it.
Excellent. Manoj, when I was governor, when I was president, Manoj was governor. That particular time, Manoj came around 15, 16 times to Vapi. And I remember one of the last program, probably Kalanbhai was there, and Manoj, I do not know whether you remember that Kalanbhai said that watch out this boy, and he will have a miles to go. So now it has happened.
Yeah, I distinctly remember Kalyanda saying that. And it was Himanshu Bhai who was traveling with me for Polio Plus from Ahmedabad to Bhavnagar to Palitana to Gheti to Jetpur and then back. 1152 kilometers in a day when there was epidemic of polio in our district. You wouldn't believe, but 1152 kilometers in a day is phenomenal drive. And when we dropped Kalyanda on airport at Ahmedabad, Himanshu said he is going to be your special aide. He said it was a good test drive. And literally it came as a threat to me that 1152 kilometers single-handed driven, and it's a test drive for Kalyanda. But after seeing what I have traveled, it was indeed a test drive.
Wow, that's really great. Both of you served together, and it must have been a great pleasure. Isn't it, Sharmishta?
Yes, yes. Especially when we went to the remote places, the tribal areas of Orissa, and the way Rotarians had transformed the whole village. Even the ladies over there had a cell phone, and the children were getting education, and we danced with those tribal ladies, and that was in the jungles of Orissa, and that was amazing experience. They had all toilets, individual houses had toilets with a water tank, and of course, we had all photographs in front of the toilets.
Manoj, lot of achievement, lot of execution. But एक बोलो जहाँ पे अपने really content हो जाता, what achievement that has really contented you?
Visiting all the districts. It has never happened in past that a director travels district after district after district. And in 1 year, I traveled 37 districts. And in second year, of course, it was repeat. But as a result, yesterday already Director Bhaskar has highlighted #1 in membership both years and #2 in foundation both years and $20 million. It's phenomenal achievement, and that could happen because of love and affection.
Sharmishta, we used to eagerly wait for Manoj's address during his governorship period. After that, he switched on to PowerPoint presentation. His earlier speeches were full of compassion, full of emotions, and it always used to touch everybody's heart. Whereas today's presentation has got lot of content, excellent meaningful pictures, and high-tech preparations. Many of us are very nostalgic of Manoj's earlier speeches. What would you say?
Mira, to tell you the truth, even now, whenever he starts speaking, I get totally mesmerized. I sometimes forget to take the picture also, which I should take when he is talking. So I must have heard hundreds of his speeches, but still, even now, I get mesmerized. So that is the truth.
Yeah, that's true. I think it was a very pertinent question also. I think it's a lot of everybody's mind that Manoj earlier speeches and all this thing, and now everything got changes, and so now he's in a technically, but both are something extraordinary. Manoj, tell one funny experience. Tell something very funny experience during your journey.
તમે માનો નહીં પણ દરેક જગ્યાએ સ્પેશિયલ એડ 37 ડિસ્ટ્રિક્ટમાં જ્યાં જાઓ ત્યાં સવારે 5:30 વાગે ફ્લાઇટ પકડાવતા કે સાંજે 10 વાગ્યાની ફ્લાઇટમાં સ્પેશિયલ એડ એક જ સવાલ પૂછે, સાહેબ તમારું રૂટીન કેવી રીતે સેટ થાય છે? મેં કહું રૂટીનમાં શું વાંધો છે? તો કે ના રૂટીન કેવી રીતે સેટ થાય? સવારના 4 વાગે બી ઉઠો ને 7 વાગે બી ઉઠો, રૂટીન કેવી રીતે સેટ થાય? નવા રૂટીન એટલે how do you fix your bowel movements? Routine is that. I said, look, I get up, I put on my specs, go to the bathroom, take the phone, sit on the commode and see how many emails are there. And if it is more than 100, apne aap ho jata hai. Simple as that.
Sharmishta, Manoj is very focused. Did you have some personal time with him?
To be very frank, there was hardly any personal time, but we used to enjoy everything together. The programs were so hectic, the schedules were very hectic. As soon as we would land, they would take us to the Troika meetings where he would meet governor, governor-elect and governor nominee. And the very next day is a Vision 2020 seminar where there will be COG meetings. So there was hardly any time for a personal meet. But of course, togetherness was our time and we enjoyed it.
आप लोग सब ठीक से सुन लो, togetherness, that was the main thing that the journey got so well. अभी मनोज, क्या, what exactly your strength helped to do this assignment? What was the thing that?
Only one strength.
Please take a
She
good
was all the
picture.
time with me, rectifying my mistakes, telling me what to do, what not to do. And like a good, obedient husband, I did everything because Gujaratis are very obedient.
Sharmishta, how many countries did you travel during Manoj's dictation?
Many countries actually, if I can enumerate in those 2 years, we, of course, USA is the first one, then we went to Greece, then Turkey, then Taiwan, and Malaysia, Tanzania, and I think one more I'm missing. Kenya, he had gone alone, and Sweden, yes, we went for a institute there. So actually it was a wonderful trip everywhere, and we could see how Rotary function in other countries.
मनोज, अभी now प्रभु चावला जी का माफिक एक सीधी बात that आपने तो achievement, a wonderful journey, so all we know, but tell truly, जितना भी ड्रीम देखा, आज कौन से कोई दुख है जो ये ड्रीम particularly fulfill नहीं हुआ? ऐसा कोई ड्रीम है जो आपने देखा fulfill नहीं हुआ?
There is not a single dream that I had seen and not fulfilled. So I am contented, I am very happy. But India becoming election free or election complaints free for 2 years has happened first time in 18 years during my term. No issues at all because we were visiting the districts.
Sharmishta, how many celebrities did you meet, and which one are the most which you remember? Celebrities.
Celebrities, okay. Yeah, I think we met quite a few celebrities, especially in Tanzania. We met the president of Tanzania. Then there was one Queen of Buganda. She was very impressive. She gave a very good talk, and she was working a lot for children. And of course, the film stars, Manoj met so many of them, Juhi Chawla, Arjun Rampal, then Smriti Irani, then Mary Kom, so many ministers we met. And I think Kailash Satyarthi, meeting him was a great experience. And Bill Gates, he met him. And of course, all the Rotary dignitaries, all past presidents of Rotary International, we could meet and interact with them. So it was a great experience.
Manoj, another Siddhi baat, that before you have taken over and you have worked with the two most eminent RI president, lot of thing we were hearing that the team will bring some change. You and your team, can you tell me any changes you have brought which will be betterment for the Rotary for the next couple of years?
First change, India has got its due recognition with 4 zones. So 2 directors every year is a phenomenal achievement. It has happened after a long, long fight. And this would help India in a big way. Second thing, strategic planning has been forte. I was on the committee for 3 years. Last year I went to USA 10 times, 4 of which was for strategic planning. And now vision statement is released and we are going into the second phase. Now second phase would be characterized by only 25 committees instead of 58, which is now. So we are going to streamline a lot of things. I fondly remember that all the debates, dialogues, even over the dinner we have continued discussing, but these are the things which are changing Rotary in a drastic way from original times or what we have experienced now. Thank you.
Yeah, Sharmishta, what are the lessons learned? Both of you can answer this.
Well, I was really very happy that I could accompany him everywhere because then I saw the love of people, the Rotarians, and how passionately they are doing their projects. I mean, that was the highlight of these 2 years. What I could feel, I could receive, and I will cherish it for the rest of my life.
Lessons learned. I think the first and foremost is love and affection of Rotarians is phenomenal. And it is like awakening the giant. And when we were having dialogue, past RI President Raja Sabu said that how many toilets we can do. And we focused on 20,000 per year. And now we have already completed. District 3212 created 3212 toilet blocks last year. You can imagine one district doing 3,212 is itself a phenomenal work. So whatever, after polio, there is a vacuum in Rotarians' mind and literacy and WINS have become real important projects. I must also say that I am thankful to you all because it was brainchild of Ashok Panjwani that let us start endowment fund. Now these are new ways he is using to increase the foundation giving, and that is how it happens.
Sharmishta, now I'm asking a very personal question.
Okay.
Everybody knows that you both are childhood buddies. और तब से आँखों आँखों में बात होने दो चल रहा है. Before marriage, after marriage, you had a very romantic time. After that, you had lots of responsibilities. You had to raise children. And Manoj was very busy with his, with his profession. Once again, you got the opportunity to stay with him for such a long time. My question is Manoj still very loving, caring, and romantic? Please.
Well,
Tell the
Meera, for these last 2 years, we both were romancing with Rotary. So that was it, like there was hardly any time for romancing with each other. We were romancing all the time with Rotary. But of course, I must say and I must admit, he is a very loving and caring husband that I have got.
Manoj, same question. Sharmishta, same loving, same caring, and same romantic?
More than what I have done.
Oh,
Because she has cared for my family and both the sons, and now daughter-in-law also. So her expanse is much more than mine. I live in compartments. She lives like a free bird.
so friend, एक जरा जोरदार ताली हो जाए. Same romantic, same caring. After doing all this thing, Manoj, Sharmishta, abhi now little bit of a rapid fire. Okay?
Okay.
What quality of Manoj do you like the most? Time management or oratory skill?
Oratory skill.
You love Western dress or sari?
I love sari because it reflects our culture and tradition.
Being a Rotarian yourself, what drives Rotary? Service or fellowship?
Actually, they are sides of coin, both the sides of coin, service and fellowship, and they always go together. So I can't say only one is important, both are equally important.
You did crazy traveling and never become ill because of what? Simple food habit or five-star food?
Simple food habit. We were very careful with our food, and probably that was the one, and God's grace ultimately.
अभी तो अपने सास बन गया, तो अभी किसके साथ ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करता है?
No, now-
मनोज, son or daughter-in-law?
No, now I have told him that now is the time I'll give to my son and daughter-in-law. If whenever they require me, I'll definitely give priority to them.
मनोज सुन लिया, अभी टाइम थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा तुम्हारा. अभी मनोज, rapid fire to you. Whom do you love more, Rotary or Sharmishta?
Sharmishta, of course. Earlier, Jawaharnagar people had said Astha, Nishtha and Sharmishta. But that was wrong. It's Sharmishta only.
What is the important thing for Rotary? Strategic plan or future vision?
Strategic plan.
What is the vital for a leader? Hi-fi language or simple language?
Language of heart.
What is your plan now? Everybody wants to hear that. What's your plan now? With the same intensity or relax?
Relax, become choosy, enjoy our new home with the family. And whatever happens, happens.
What did you derive more satisfaction? Astha or directorship? कहाँ से ज़्यादा खुश मिलता है? वो याद
I
करके
think yesterday, instead of being with only PDGs, I went out and met a lot of people. Lot of people. I think I met Umargam Club, I said cheers to Billy Mora, and a lot of people. And that love and affection, that gives me satisfaction the most, whether with the glass or without the glass. But Rotarians all around have been extra kind and truthful.
Manoj, the question is the last. जो 97-98 में बड़ौदा में रास्ता में जाके एक भुर्जी खाने वाला मनोज और आज डायरेक्टर बन के जब जो पोजीशन में आया वो मनोज में कितना फर्क हो गया?
कोई फर्क नहीं हुआ. Yesterday I had only pani puri rather than the whole lunch in the noon time. So I love my small little pleasures, habits, whatever you call it. And that's why I believe that I am the same. At the most you can add doctor because it is hard earned. Otherwise prefix and suffix have no meaning, you know. I am going to be Manoj all the time.
Manoj, on behalf of all of them, we congratulate both of you for the wonderful journey we had. You have got a lot of dream. Now, please hear, we got a dream that we got 2 directors in our district. Now we got 2, you understand. Now, the day that will come, I can guarantee you, in the evening, whenever that information will come, every district member of this 3060 will loudly say, Majo aai gyo. Hi Manoj, thank
All
you
right.
very much.
Let me just compliment Ruchir for this novel idea rather than my stereotype talks with PowerPoint. And whatever yesterday I saw, today I am seeing. Yesterday you used Madhushala. And this is what I experienced yesterday, which I must describe. एक बरस में एक बार ही जगती होली की ज्वाला, एक बार ही लगती बाजी, जलती दीपों की माला. We have conference only once in a year. Ruchir, you have done exceedingly well. दुनिया वालों किंतु किसी दिन आ मदिरालय में देखो, दिन को होली, रात दिवाली, रोज बनाती मधुशाला. And that's the celebration that I have been seeing with you all the time. Hence my sincere thanks to you. Just last thing that I want to gift it to my dear friend, Ashish. I have written, dear Ashish and Meera, but for your support, I would not have reached to this level. Hope you would like my quest. We nurture our friendship. This is the book which I have published. It would reach all the past governors in a week or 10 days' time. But this is my journey into Rotary compiled by myself. And no other person has written. Just open it and give it to them.
So nice. Wonderful.
Thank you very much.